Everyone, Anand here, and this is Code with Anand. So, this is going to be our first video in how to series in Salesforce. So, today's topic is going to be how to increase the drop file area in the Lightning file upload. If your drag and drop area feels too small and not very user friendly, don't worry. I'll show you quick and clean solutions. So, let's get started. So, what I did, I already have lightning file upload component created in LWC, and I attach into this opportunity record page. So I'll show you. This is our component where we have simple LWC, just normal JavaScript, which is used to first record ID to link with that file, and then you can do the extra logic when file upload finished. But this is just to show how we can increase the file area to by using CSS. So we'll just we can just focus on that part. So if you want directly apply the CSS into the inline CSS or in folder CSS, it will not work here. So to do that, you have to follow some steps using static resources. So let's see how we are going to do that. First, we'll go and set up, and I already created one CSS file. So I'll show you. This is the CSS file where this is about all the classes which we are going to use in our HTML, and it say that this file contains 100% of width. So wherever this CSS apply, it will give 100% of width. Then same for the file selector, which is base component of lightning file upload, and same for drop zone area. And here you can see we are keeping it as a 41%, or you can keep it as 50%. So as per your space to keep it as a center. Okay, so this is we have our CSS file upload custom style CSS. So what we'll do, we'll go here in the setup, and then we'll search for static resource, and then we'll create new static resource here, and we'll give name as custom file upload CSS. We'll choose our CSS file. Will cache control will be public so that it can be accessible, and we'll save it. Our first step is done, where we are going to create the static resource. Now our second step is to use this static resource in LWC. So what I am going to do, let's see if it's loading automatically. So what we'll do, so we'll go to the browser, and we already have how to use or how to load our platform resource, means a static resource. So first you need to import this platform resource module to dynamic import module. So what we can do, we'll just copy this one and we'll use in our code. So first thing first, import this loadStyle, because this will help us to the static resources, and then we'll use to load the specific static resource. So I'll come here and I'll import this one as well. Now we'll check what is the name of our static resource. So this was the name of our static resource. So what we'll do, we'll copy this one and we'll come here, we'll update here my resource URL, and here we will do custom style. Now as we imported our static resource URL, then we have to, there are many ways you can do it, but we just want to update the CSS as soon as the file loaded, component loaded. So we'll go connected callback, and then we'll use loadStyle, this, and custom style. So what this code will do, this will load our style, and then here we need to apply our class name as well. So class name will be our this file class. So we'll just copy this, paste it here. Our work is done. We'll simply deploy this to our org. Once this is deployed, we'll come here. I will copy inspect, and once inspect, then we have to do empty cache and hard reload. So you can see now the space is increased, and anywhere you upload the file, it will work the same. Okay, so anywhere you can upload this file and drop the file, and it will work the same as it was before. So this is how you can increase the area, and that's how quickly you can enhance the drop area in the lightning file upload. So if you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more Salesforce tutorial coming your ways. Comment below what you need to see next. And this is Anand, and you are watching Code with Anand. See you in the next one. Thank you.